Hi everyone, welcome to the AVC Labs channel. Do you know? AVC Labs Video Enhancer AI new version has been released. It got a new look and added new features. And now increase video resolution to 4K is just one click. Let's see how to do it. On the main interface of the program, you can see that the sidebar has changed dramatically. Just select upscale to 4K in the presets. Then click Start Processing. The video will start processing and you can see the before and after comparison. Compared with the old version, the operation of this new version is more convenient, and the new version also adds a new motion compensation function. Wondering how to do it? Don't forget to follow us, we will continue to update in subsequent videos. Thanks for watching.